If you're looking for portable washers, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1. Bestseller by Costway. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, by Leisure Direct. Number 3, by Gizmos. For more info and great portable washers, just click this circle. Number 4, by Good Ideas. Number 5, by Leisure Direct. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.